Model Y is pretty much one of the most popular cars you can get, but how do you really protect itself? I just got one and I would had a hard time deciding what kind of car mats I should get. And car mats are a must if you have a Model Y or pretty much any car in general. But the ones that were offered by Tesla just lacked the amount of coverage it can give, and I just wasn't as impressed for the car mats. As you can see, the driver's side mat, it just does not offer coverage versus the Tasmanian mats that I ended up deciding to go with. Does have a lot of coverage, you get the best value, and you get a lot more car mats with it, which includes the front, the trunk, as well as the back storage in the trunk as well, and then you get the passenger and driver's side, and also the back seater coverage as well. And it's very quickly installed and ready to go. As you can see, I just literally am installing the driver's side, and it's very easy, slides in and fits perfectly. And they did a really good job covering during snow times or pretty much any of the rough patches I had these mats for. And recently, with all the snow and a lot of mud around, did a great job. As you can see here with the driver's side, it does have a lot more coverage for your foot compared to the Tesla car mats. And that was a big thing for me because I'm driving a ton and I have like 14 size shoe. So this is gonna be the best thing that I can find for that coverage. And as you can see in the back, we literally just removed the old Tesla mats and we literally just slide it in, and literally just after a little bit of like squishing, we just got it in, and that's pretty much as perfect as it gets. And it does do a pretty good job covering all the edges. And here we're installing the back trunk mat, and it does fold. The little ridge in the center helps you fold, or if you want to get anything quickly, you don't really have to fuss around with it as much. So that was a big bonus for me, how it's designed. And the next, we're gonna see the the back extra storage in the Tesla Model Y, where you just simply slides in, and now you have pretty much protected. You don't really need anything else after this, and you can just store whatever you want and be confident that it's going to cover your car. And you also get the front, right? This is the big thing. I wanted all my things covered when I got this car, and it does do a pretty good job with that. So as you can see, to me, this just made sense to go with the Tasmanian brand, and they do offer like a 10% off. So I'll put the link down for you all to check out. And honestly, this is not a referral any of the kind, they're just doing it by themselves. So definitely recommend these car mats. I had it for a while and does do a pretty good job in terms of design and coverage. So yeah, now you know. So please make your choice and definitely get car mats for your Model Y. It's worth it.